Our cats are quite the athletes, but there's some areas of the house that we like to keep them out of just for their safety, especially since we do have one cat that doesn't mix with the cat crew. So to help deter them from entering areas they're not supposed to, we put up gates in certain sections. And then, using some zip ties, we basically made little spikies with them so that whenever the cat sees it, they kind of have that illusion that the gate's taller, or at least that's what we're trying to go for. So that might mean that some of the zip ties, like I'll have to do a double zip, or I can just do a straight zip tie right through to the top. The important thing is just to keep them consistent, or at least that was the game plan that we were going for. So every few inches, we would put in the zip tie and fill in the blanks so they would have a good frequency. The first time we did this trial was on this gate that's in the hallway, and it's worked out really well. The cats seem to respect it as far as jumping goes. We know that one of the cats is able to jump this gate technically, but they haven't tried it since. So it's been a few months now since we originally tried it out, which is why I was waiting to post it to see if it was even a good fit. But now we've implemented it in the other two gates that we have going towards the entrance of the house. So these little guys are very helpful. So hopefully if you are also trying to keep your cat out of certain areas, these little zip ties will help you out to accomplish your mission. So hope it helps. If you're interested in any more pet related DIYs or just cute and girly things, my mom and I make all types of DIYs inspired by our cats and our dogs. So be sure to subscribe.